We used a number of different technologies when creating our radio broadcast. When completing our vox pops, we used a dictaphone to record them. We found that the dictaphone was very easy to use and suitable as it was small and portable, therefore we did not have a problem when moving to different locations with it. However, we did find that the dictaphone did not have the best sound quality. We often found that the dictaphone made the sound muffled and it often picked up background noise. If we was to record our vox pops again, I think we would use a different type of technology of a better quality, as we felt like using the dictaphone limited the quality of our final piece.
When editing our radio broadcast, we used Adobe Audition. We found that Audition was a simple program and it was easy to use when editing. However, we did not find that it was often unreliable, which we found the program often crashed. Taking this into account, we then had to ensure that we saved our work often. In the future, I think we will prefer to use a different type of program which would be more reliable to use. Although we was proud of our editing and we believe that it was a strong point of our radio broadcast, as it made our final product sound much more professional.
When recording the main parts of our radio broadcast, we used the recording studio. We found the recording studio was of very high quality, and this had a big impact on the sound quality of the professionalism of our final product. The technology within the studio was of very high quality, such as the microphone. This benefited us a huge amount, as we feel that if we was to produce our radio broadcast again, we would still use the recording studio, as we feel it played a vital role in our final product.
When recording our interview, we also used a boom mic to attach to the dictaphone. We used the boom mic because it improved the sound quality of the interview and made it much more professional. This improved our final draft of our radio broadcast, as the sound quality of the interview was very good, as the background noise was cut out. If we were to create our radio broadcast again, I feel we would still use the boom mic, as it was very effective.
We found the preliminary task harder than the main task. I think this was mainly because we had a better idea of how to use the technology within the main task due to more practice. I think the hardest thing to overcome within our preliminary task was the editing, as it was our first introduction to Adobe Audition. However, when it came to the main task, we had more of an idea how to use Adobe Audition. We did not use a boom mic within our preliminary task. However, we did within our main task, and we believe this had a huge impact on our radio broadcast.
Overall, we were happy with our final product. We feel that there were mainly elements of our broadcast that were professional, such as our interview, which was of a high sound quality. We also think that our editing was of high quality, as we knew how to use Adobe Audition well. However, there were also bad elements to our radio broadcast. For example, we think that we could have extended the content based on our news stories in order for the audience to have a better understanding of what's going on.